Let's go. TCG build number 49. Guys, this is the second build episode we have on our channel now, and I could not be more excited. I know you guys love GTRs. We love GTRs. We got this black series right here. Mark, what do you think?
It's beautiful. It looks like we got the Volk wheels here that come on the black series from factory.
But here's the thing. Don't look too close because the whole entire thing is going to change. Last video?
No, I didn't.
Oh,
see
you
the
didn't
last
see it?
video.
Oh, you should go check it out. Just click this right here. You see it? You didn't actually think I was gonna let you in, did you? I'll be back in an hour.
Open the door. Open the door.
Man, to be honest, man, GTR, the R35, it was that car growing up that I was like, man, this thing is sick. It's one of my favorite things about Tuner Pool. You guys know how much we love GTRs. We know how much you guys love GTRs, as I said before. It's the perfect car. A lot of you guys live in the East Coast. It's all-wheel drive, so with this thing, daily driving in the snow, what have you. We could spend hours driving this car around, doing fun things with it, but I think we gotta get back to the shop, drop it off to Jose, and we're on a time crunch.
Yeah.
What do you think, man?
I don't know, you drove it.
This thing drives nice. And
Yeah.
it sounds nice, too.
Stock exhaust, right?
I don't think so.
No.
We did say it was stock, but after like getting on it, I was like, ah.
Yeah. Jose, we got about 3 days for you to do pretty much transmission swap.
Go off with that
Engine
shit.
swap. No. You know what we're doing to it. What do you think?
Doable. We'll see, I guess. These things are cool, but not in stock form. I don't like them in stock form.
Well, good thing that you're here then, right?
Yeah, because I'm about to take this fucking thing apart.
Pandem body kit. We have our wheels right now getting powder coated. Airlift, suspension.
Exhaust.
Intake?
sound
We're
good.
doing intake.
Yeah, we're doing intake.
Intake.
I think we're gonna go murdered out.
We've never done a stealth blacked out GTR.
Let's do it. Where the parts at?
Hold on. Just kidding. Over here. Shouldn't be too bad, huh?
Mine is cutting up the quarter panels. Now we'll see once I get the grinder on one of them. Then
It's over from there.
It's done.
There you go. The honeymoon phase is gone.
We'll probably stare at this for another like 10 minutes, maybe.
10, 20 minutes.
Maybe 30. Actually, I'm hungry.
As you could imagine, there's a lot of procrastination before cutting up a car. But Jose had enough with waiting around and decided it was time to commit. Test fitting the kit is an extremely important step before sending the parts off to paint. After that, Jose went ahead and installed the Alpha carbon fiber intakes, as well as these beautiful carbon engine bay covers.
Wow, jeez. All right, this is not the same car. Jose. Wow, the alignment's pretty spot on.
Yeah, was it hard to fit everything up? Did it fit perfect or?
It actually fit better than I thought. It's kind of hard for like when it's only you.
Yeah.
Otherwise, it's fucking good.
You guys see, we have this thing, it's all primered, it's ready to get painted, because we're gonna wrap it, right?
Yep.
Oh wow, it is gold.
You kidding me? Wow. It's just not like that.
That's exactly how it's gonna sound.
So we do have a little bit of an issue here. We're missing 2 hangers.
We can still put it on though.
The reason why we're running into this issue is because whoever had this car before us had a custom titanium exhaust on this car, and it did not need the hangers because this thing is what, so light.
Paper light.
That's amazing.
Well, we got our stock intercoolers right here. That's right, intercoolers. We're upgrading you guys to the SBD Speed by Design intercooler. Look at this thing. It's just absolutely gorgeous. Question is, you think it's gonna fit?
Oh, it's gonna fit.
Oh damn.
Oh wow.
It looks It's gonna look sick under the bumper.
So this one, you said the factory intercoolers had like a bunch of mounting points, and then this one only has 3.
So all of these right here, these are all mounting points for it, and then a few of them that were up here. This one only has this one and 2 more, which is crazy because this one's way heavier than the stock ones.
So what's the upside of upgrading to this bigger intercooler?
More boost, and obviously it's a bigger intercooler, so better cooling.
It just looks badass. Look at it.
It does look badass. I wish there was a way to protect the fins, what do you call them?
No, you just gotta be the first one to f it up.
Dude, that looks sick.
I'm telling you, we should leave it, I think. I think it should stay like that. I don't think we should paint it black.
You keep it like raw, like it's
Yeah,
like
keep it raw aluminum as is, because...
Oh, I thought you were talking about the bumper. I thought you were gonna leave the bumper.
Oh, wow. Look at that, dude.
Amazing.
I mean, it'll look way better once the whole wide body kit is on there.
yeah.
I
That's
think
what it's missing.
it would be nice if this was also wrapped satin black. All right, man, it's the final stretch. Check
Yes,
this out.
it is.
So we got these front canards. This is actually pretty cool because with the Pandem kit, it doesn't come, with it when you order it.
So you have to add these on or what?
You have to add these on. It's like a secret menu. So they attach right here. And then we got the side plates. Do you see what we're going for here? You see that, Mark? So that's a really cool option we have here. We also got the side skirts and the rear diffuser. Everything's getting painted. So we're on the home stretch, baby. Get this thing off to paint and let's wrap up this build. Delivery time. We got parts back. Let me just tell you, it looks beautiful. It's a little dusty because it was done over the weekend. It looks, wow. I mean, look at that. We got the centerpiece of the bumper. We're gonna wrap this, and then we got the side skirts, diffuser, everything. You know how slow I drove here? So I dropped these wheels off about a week and a half ago. And this is like the final piece we need. Because right now we got the GTR on stock wheels. It looks goofy, man. It looks like an RC car. This isn't the wheels that we've been talking about, to pick up. These are the GTR wheels. This is for a secret project, but let's take a look.
Oh, dude, they look incredible.
You can tell what it is. What color is that?
Satin forged silver. Yeah, it's really nice because it's like a. So what we do is we ceramic polish the aluminum underneath, and then we hit it with like a transparent silver, and then we hit it again with a satin clear coat over that. So we're bringing back a new series called the Heritage Series for MV, mainly focusing on like motorsport, like styling and bringing back that old school heritage, like I said, like motorsport styling. But we're making it with a lot more modern techniques that we're usually do on our other stuff that's for exotics and stuff. So grade 5 titanium. So they're this is for the hidden hardware on the back. We only expose mainly half exposed bolts. On the back there's hidden. Yeah. So when we put the parts together, instead of using the traditional like stud with a nut that a lot of people use, we use a full titanium grade 5 bolt that's serrated. Lighter weight, stronger, about 20% lighter and stronger than traditional
bragging
stainless.
rights, you have titanium.
Bragging rights, got, branded logo and corrosion resistant, so it's really nice to have that. Little features like that. We look at all the details, even our caps. It's a 4-piece cap. And then it has like an undercut right here, so you pretty much have the base exposed one color, and then they have a top piece, 2 carbon pieces, and then they're actually assembled with titanium hardware as well. Even the cap has a lot of pieces just like a wheel, and it's titanium hardware.
I love it.
But have you even showed?
No, we haven't shown them. I'm waiting for you, man.
You're waiting for this?
Yeah. Sorry.
Yeah.
Oh, I can't wait to see him on the car.
this Pandem GTR is complete. Look at this thing. I mean, take it in.
Completely different.
It looks absolutely different. We've done a lot of work into it. Jose did a lot of work. Cutting the fenders. I don't think we've ever done a Pandem kit on a GTR that looks quite like this. Of course, you know, the satin black really plays into it.
Yeah. This might be top 3 Tuner Call giveaway cars for me.
I would say
I'd say it's in the top 3 for sure.
#1 GTR we ever given away. But you know, we keep saying that every time. So we've got the smoke tail lights, which looks so good.
Woo!
Video definitely doesn't do it justice. Also, we don't really shoot this car at nighttime, but when it gets dark and the sun sets,
yeah.
and then of course we got the smoked headlights to go along with it. So we got the dark blacked out chrome. Subtle change, big difference.
All right.
All right.
And you know the compressor isn't too loud in the back either.
What?
Oh my god.
Oh man. At the beginning of the video, I was talking about how the GTR was always one of my childhood dream cars. This GTR is everything you'd want in a GTR. I mean, GTRs to me are meant to be the Godzilla, you know? It's the king of the streets. And if I saw this thing creeping up behind me, I'm pulling over. Might as well be an ambulance because I'm pulling over. Well, that's it, you guys. That's a wrap on TC Build episode #2 of the Pandem GTR. You guys saw what it looked like before. Just simple, clean, black edition GTR. And we fully decked it out. Murder Black Stealth GTR Batman Edition. It's freaking sick. The best part is you can actually win it. So, our giveaway for the GTR for TCG49 is still live at the time you're watching this video. Click the link down below. Get your automatic entries for your chance to win the car, plus the 60 grand. And if there's anything else you guys want to see, let us know down below in the comments. Make sure to subscribe and hit that bell because we got more builds coming up. We're actually working on one right now. So, thanks for watching. Peace.